What's going on, everybody? I got a couple of new snakes today. We're gonna be doing an unboxing. This one we got from the Ball Factory. Gave me some awesome stickers and his business card. I love these type of stickers, so that's cool. Thank you. This guy, let me grab the right one. He is a Orange Dream Yellow Belly Red Stripe 100% Het Clown. Was he 100%? I'm not sure, actually. Hi, little buddy. Look at this guy. He is good looking. As you can see on the sides, that's a yellow belly and red stripe playing together. Man, he looks good. I like this guy a lot. Thank you very much, Art. Appreciate it. Let's get to our next one. Let's actually go put him in his enclosure first. All right, my little buddy. This one is going to be your hatchling tub. He's not, oh, this is hard to do one-handed. Hold on. He's not quite big enough to go into a bigger tub, so we'll just put him in a hatchling tub for now, see how he does in there. Sweet. All right, let's get over to the next one, and this one is from tripplerreptiles, and actually, I really like this picture, and you'll see why in a second. But that's this one, this girl right here. Super happy to have her. Let's open her up. This one is our Acid Fire Pinstripe, and she's a little crazy right now because she had just gotten out. So all you do with this snake, when they're crazy, just keep working them through your hands. Let them keep trying to run or whatever. You just keep putting your hand down there. They'll calm down. Once they calm down, that's when you put them down. Don't put them down whenever they're acting crazy. You gotta, otherwise they'll know that acting crazy will get you to leave them alone. That's not how it's gonna work. So you just gotta keep on working her. See how she slowed down, and now she's chilling. She's still a little nervous, a little scared. Just had a crazy trip, so. Just keep working her, letting her act crazy. She'll calm herself down and kind of figure out what's going on. She needs to know I'm not her enemy. So the only way I can do that is to tire her out, basically, and let her just keep running through my hands until she gets tired. Or until she bites me. I mean, that's kind of how it goes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. You know all the things to do. Appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one.